Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're gonna look at the honorary X-Men Spider-Man. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a Spider-Man LE, which we got in one of our Saturday games. And as you can see, it is in mint condition, still unpacked. Okay, but before we get into it, I also would like to show with you guys a previous box of Heroclix that I got. Okay, so it's an old box, been with me for the longest time. One of the first team bases actually that I got, and it's about Spider-Man and his amazing friends. Okay, so from the cartoon show. Okay, but what I wanted to emphasize is that although Spider-Man is not a mutant per se, he is very friendly, not just in your neighborhood, but friendly with mutants. Okay, so he has, of course, Iceman as a friend, and Firestar as a friend, and Miss Lion as a dog. Okay, so Spider-Man, I would say, is an honorary mutant. He's a good guy, so he gets around superhero teams, and including, of course, our favorite superhero team, the X-Men. Okay, so looking back now to our figure, this one, I don't collect a lot of Spider-Man because I collect X-Men. But this one is unique because it has the magical X-Men keyword. So one of the rare times that Spider-Man has the X-Men keyword. Okay, so let's take a look at his sculpt. Okay, so you can see Spider-Man is crouching and he seems to be pulling something with his web as a rope, I guess. Okay, so he's trying to pull something, but cannot seem to quite get it. Okay, so I love the sculpt. It's very dynamic. Not just your typical crouching Spider-Man, but of course, showcasing her strength as well. Okay, so take a look at the card. Spider-Man is MV23-012. Okay, Avengers, Fantastic Four, Spider-Man Family, X-Men, again, X-Men, and Reporter and Scientist keywords. Has the Spider-Man team ability, and he has a trait ethics professor of the Jean Grey School. Friendly characters that are less points and share a keyword with Spider-Man have the Spider-Man team ability. Okay, so I remember, I think it was during the death of Wolverine that Spider-Man was able to join the Jean Grey School as a teacher. Okay, so it's like Wolverine requested Peter Parker to teach a special class of mutants, a special class like Glove Herman, and other mutants. Okay, how to be proper superheroes, I guess. And of course, with great powers comes great responsibility. Must be his first lesson with the special class of mutants. Okay, so that's how he became a part of the X-Men, at least momentarily. So he has a second trait, which is wall crawler. We saw this a lot in SMBA set, which is lip climb and then free. Place Spider-Man on a square of different elevation within 4 squares and line of fire, giving him additional mobility. He already has hypersonic speed, and of course 3 targets incapacitate, senses, and prob. So no reducer, but very hard to hit him unless you outwit the super senses. Okay, so pretty straightforward character. Real name is Peter Parker. Appearance is Spider-Man and the X-Men #1, 2014. So he had a mini-series of adventures with the special class of X-Men, as I said. Okay, so he also comes with a team-up card. Okay, and let's take a look at it briefly. The traits are, I think, the same. Everything's there except that he has an additional team-up trait, which is with Miles Morales, Spider-Gwen, or Ghost Spider. If any of the listed characters are on your force, Spider-Man and the listed character super senses have protected outwit. So it might be a good idea to at least use any one of those three other spiders so that their senses are protected out with. Because with super senses and with the Spider-Man team ability, he becomes now 4 to 6 successful super senses, and with prob gonna be a bit hard to hit Spider-Man. Okay, so what do you guys think? I think I love Spider-Man as an X-Men. I'm glad to have this. This is the only one I need from the OP kit, but I might need to pick up a Spider-Gwen or Miles Morales just to maximize the trait of Spider-Man. Okay, so until next time, with great power comes great responsibility. Remember that, mutants. Bye-bye!